So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Adhil, Reddy, and today I'm going to unbox my new phone. It's Realme X50 Pro, and as you can see here, it's Realme X50 Pro, and we'll just jump into this box and I'll be showing up what's the specifications of this box, and right now we'll cut it off. So the main feature of this box is it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset with 5G mode, and it has 65 wattage of supercharge and quad cam of setup and dual cam on front side. So we'll just open it, and so on top you'll be getting instruction manual, and with case I guess they should be giving SIM ejection tool. Okay, I'll just go inside, and you'll be getting a case which is of high quality and it's nice though. And this is the box, this is the phone inside, and I'll be showing this phone after a couple of minutes. And you'll be getting a supercharger, and it's a 65 watts charger, and you'll be having USB-C type charger here, and you'll be getting SIM ejection tool at the below, and that's it. There's nothing inside here. I'll just keep these things aside. And yeah, I bought this phone for 38,000, and I got the color of red rust, and this is the red rust color. And you'll be having 4 camera setup and dual punch hole camera at the front, and I'll be showing up the display. It has 90 Hz refresh rate, and it's an Super AMOLED display. I guess it has been dead. I'll just power it up and I'll be coming back. So guys, I'm back. So I have charged my device, and before opening up, I'll just keep my case and let's see how the look and feel will be. And guys, it's very nice, and I guess you can see the color with the case. And I'll keep this case aside, and I guess it will be like Realme's case are very good. It is drop proof, and it gives a little bit protection to your phone, and it's a good case at this price range. And as I said before, it has 90 Hz refresh rate screen, and I'm going to on it right now, and as you can see, it's Realme powered by Android. And we'll wait, and I'll just set up my phone and I'll be coming back. So guys, I have set up my phone, and this is the lock screen, and if I move up and down, as you can see, it's so fast. And so it's as I said before, it has 90 Hz display. So it's third time I'm saying about the displays right now. It is AMOLED display, and it has 2 dual speakers. One is below here and at the top, and you will be having Dolby Atmos audio or configuration with high res. And it's a good phone overall. Everything you'll be having all the specifications here, like this is 12 megapixel of a telephoto lens, is a primary lens. Approximately, it's 64 megapixel, and at the below you'll be having 8 megapixel for ultra wide and a macro, and here it's a 2 megapixel black and white portrait lens, so that for every configuration you'll be having a lens. And at the front, as you can see, you'll be having normal 32 megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor, and another one, it's a wide angle 8 megapixel. So as I can say, it has fully loaded features in this phone, and you'll be getting, as I said before, it has Snapdragon 865 with 5G mode, and it has an 558 like 5,80,000 around of Geekbench like attendance score. So it's overall a best phone, and mine is 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal, which it's a good configuration as per now, because like before I was using a Realme 3 Pro as my daily driver, and now I'll be changing to Realme X50 Pro. Realme 3 Pro was a good phone. I used approximately for 2 years, and now I'm changing to X50 Pro, and I'll be showing up a small review video will be coming up for Realme X50 Pro, and I'll be using it for a while, and I'll be posting up. And the only con of this phone is I don't have a headphone jack, where we have high-res audio configuration, or it will be only working with headphone jacks. But you can use your from USB-C to, you'll be having a microphone, I mean like a 3.5 mm jack, but unfortunately we didn't get in the box. We need to buy it from outside. So that's all guys, it's a small review. I'll be reviewing about camera in further videos. So kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share my video to your friends, and stay tuned. Signing off, Adhil, Reddy.